Welcome to the YouTube channel of aguruje.com! This channel is dedicated to providing you with detailed guides, insightful discussions, and valuable resources on artificial intelligence, AI. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your AI career, you'll find a wealth of information here. From learning the basics of programming and understanding the fundamentals of AI, to enrolling in AI courses and certifications, and even considering a master's degree, we've got you covered. We believe in learning by doing, so you'll also find guidance on building projects that not only help you understand the concepts better, but also build a portfolio that can showcase your skills to potential employers. Networking is key in this rapidly evolving field, so join us as we explore AI communities and forums, attend workshops, seminars, and meetups. We'll help you stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in AI through regular reading of research papers, articles, and blogs. And when you're ready, we'll guide you on how to apply for internships and entry-level positions to gain invaluable real-world experience. Learn the basics. Start by learning the basics of programming. Python is a popular language in the field of AI due to its simplicity and vast range of libraries. You should also familiarize yourself with basic algorithms and data structures. Understand the fundamentals of AI. AI is a broad field with many subdisciplines, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Start by understanding the basics of these fields. Read books, watch online lectures, and try to implement simple AI models. Enroll in AI courses and certifications. There are numerous online platforms that offer courses in AI. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer AI courses taught by professors from top universities. Earning a certification can also make your resume stand out. Consider a master's degree, optional. While a master's degree is not always necessary, it can provide you with in-depth knowledge and a formal qualification in AI. If you're considering this route, look for programs that offer a good balance of theory and practical work. Build projects. The best way to learn is by doing. Start working on small projects and gradually take on more complex ones. This will not only help you understand the concepts better, but also build a portfolio that can showcase your skills to potential employers. Networking. Join AI communities and forums. Attend workshops, seminars, and meetups. Networking with people in the industry can open up opportunities and help you stay abreast of the latest developments in the field. Stay updated. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Make it a habit to read research papers, articles, and blogs regularly. This will help you stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in AI. Apply for internships and entry-level positions. Once you have a solid foundation and some projects under your belt, start applying for internships or entry-level positions. Real-world experience is invaluable and will give you a better understanding of how AI is used in the industry. Remember, becoming proficient in AI takes time and consistent effort. Keep learning and stay curious. Good luck on your AI journey. In this journey to mastering AI, certification courses can play a pivotal role. They not only provide a structured learning path, but also offer a chance to learn from the industry's best minds. Let's take a look at some of the top-notch certification courses offered by global tech giants. First up, IBM offers IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate and IBM Applied AI Professional Certificate. These courses are designed to help you understand AI concepts and apply them using popular open-source libraries. You can enroll in these courses on Coursera. Next, Microsoft's AI 900. Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals is an excellent course for those who are new to AI and machine learning. This course provides foundational knowledge about the concepts and services provided by Microsoft Azure AI. Google's Professional Certificate in Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence is another excellent choice. This course covers a broad range of topics, including data pre-processing, model building, model tuning, and deployment. It is available on Coursera. Lastly, LinkedIn Learning offers Become an AI Product Manager. This course focuses on the skills needed to manage AI products and teams. It covers everything from understanding AI to developing AI models to launching AI products. To enroll in these courses, simply visit their respective platforms, sign up, and select the course. Most of these courses offer a free trial period, so you can start learning right away. Remember, these certifications can significantly boost your resume and provide you with an edge in the competitive AI job market. So take a leap and start learning today. As we come to the end of this learning session, I hope this journey through AI learning paths and certification courses has been insightful. It's time to put this knowledge into action. Remember, Every step you take on this learning journey counts. So don't hesitate to dive into these courses and carve your path in the world of AI. I want to thank you for taking the time to explore these opportunities with us. If you found this content helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more such informative content. If you know someone who would benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. This is Ram Naresh Jha from iguruje.com, reminding you that learning is a journey and every step counts. So keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next video.